Hello and welcome to Teresa Treats. Today we're going to see a lovely and tasty recipe, that is butter beans and potato gravy. This is a yum gravy and it has all the ingredients which go into a non-veg, but in a veg dish. This is a really yummy and tasty dish. Come, let's go and see how to make this. For the butter beans and potato gravy, I am taking a pan and adding 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil. Now, I have here 2 cloves, 2 cardamoms and a small piece of cinnamon. Next, I'm going to add here 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Let's fry for a minute or so and then add 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds. I have here 3 green chilies, but now I'm only adding 1 at this stage. And along with it, I'm also going to add 6 to 7 cashew nuts. Now cashew nuts actually enhance the flavor and the texture of the gravy. Let's fry this for a few minutes. Next, I'm taking here half a cup of grated coconut, and along with it, I'm going to add here 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds. Let's fry both of them on very low flame. We need to be careful that the coconut does not turn brown in color. It just should be off-white. Now once the masala is aromatic, let us cool the mixture and grind it into a smooth paste by adding a little water. Let's take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, let's add here 2 chopped onions. We'll fry them until they turn golden in color. We're going to add here 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, and we'll saute the ginger garlic paste until the raw smell disappears. Next, I'm adding here 1 large chopped tomatoes. And here you can also add more green chilies as per your taste. To help it cook faster, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now once the tomatoes are well fried, let's add the ground masala paste. We'll cook the ground masala paste with the onions till the oil separates from the masalas. So this will take about 5 to 6 minutes. Now once they are fried well, you can see that there is a good aroma. We will add here 1 cup of boiled butter beans, and along with it 2 boiled potatoes which I have cut into small pieces. Let us cook the masala and the butter beans and the potato for a few minutes till all the masalas get coated in the butter beans and potatoes. I'm adding here about 1 to 2 cups of water. And we'll close the lid and allow the gravy to simmer for some time. Now let's check the gravy. Really aromatic, and I'm going to check the spice and salt levels, and we will adjust it as needed. Our potato and double beans curry is ready. This is really yum, and I trust that you will make it and let me know how you liked it. And as I always say, cook with passion, serve with love. Follow Teresa Treats, like my channel, share my channel, and don't forget to subscribe. We will meet you in the next video.